Excuse me, what do I need this for?
The thought is, how am I ever going to actually apply this to something? This gave a really good application to it, so it made learning it more interesting and more intriguing, as per just saying, okay, we're going to learn about projectile physics, and oh, cool, projectile physics. And then you say, we're going to learn about how the bullet shot out of a gun, and figure out who killed somebody, and you're like, dude, that's interesting. I've never heard something like that before. So for me, I find it more intriguing. Personally, it just got me thinking more than I would sitting down doing a normal lesson.
I learned about gamma radiation yesterday on Discovery Channel.
Now change the frequency.
The risks of acquiring E. coli and becoming very, very sick from an E. coli 0157 outbreak far supersede the risks of food irradiation, and that's purely from a medical perspective.
Doing a checklist reflection keeps me in check, and I don't think I'd be as honest if it were for marks.
Kelsey, do you like writing your own rubric, or do you like when a teacher gives you one?
I don't know, I kind of like both. It's kind of hard to write our own.
But
So props to you for doing that, but I don't know, I think it's good because then we get to decide what we get marked on and stuff.
okay, and Tanner, what'd you say? Sorry,
Way to write that.
Tanner, do you like writing your own rubric?
I think it's really neat because then we actually get to like decide how we get to be marked and what the criteria would be for each one.
His project showed me so much more about learning physics and teaching it. I now know that it's very important to have students look at real-world situations. And beyond this project, I've allowed it to permeate my everyday teaching. Students absolutely love this problem-based project because of its real-world applications. Technology-wise, I engage students through the use of social media, as well as through the use of Microsoft products and Word. Students are gaining confidence in these areas every day, and I'm proud to say that this project has allowed them to develop further as physics thinkers and young scientists.